Welcome to another video. Today I think I've cracked it. How artistic is that? How's that lighting, eh? That's all natural lighting going on there. Today I think I've worked out the whole microphone issue in my helmet. Done quite a few videos taken on the bike in the helmet where the sound is just awful. So I've fluked it a couple of times with some videos.
Okay, for months now I've been wondering about how I might go, how the shoulder's going to cope.
But lately it seems no matter where I put this microphone in this helmet, I get great engine noise but terrible voice when I'm moving it.
So I sort of brought the speed limit down. Coppers hanging out in the gutters, corners, halfway up the hill, pulling out the
I've worked out how to do it, how to place the microphone so that it all works. Coffee. Priorities. We'll go deep inside the old the arrow just to show you where I put it. For those who like to know these things, I like to know it. So often I see videos where people have awesome audio and I have no idea how they do it. So this is how I've done it. I've got two microphones in there. One is the UHF one, it's the top one, and I've just kind of put the video one underneath it, taped it all up. It's not pretty, but it does work, as you can hear.
Also testing this microphone. I've got yet another placement of it. Try the visor down and try that. Just trying different things. Hopefully you get some decent engine noise. I'm just really hoping that this microphone is picking up this voice alright. It's been a real nightmare trying to find a spot that works. If I can get one that works, I can get some commentary going and it will be great. Highway riding and testing the microphone again. I reckon it's going to be noisy. It's like doing about 90. Coming down to the roundabout. Go around this corner. What a great day to be out on the bike, eh? Slowing right down. It's probably really good now, I guess. Bit of noise maybe, and we're off again.
Yeah, so why did I do it? So a lot of my earlier videos, they're just shot. It's, you know, bike videos to music. That's it. That's all I used to do. But I'm enjoying the commentary aspect of making the videos a bit more. That's what I personally enjoy, hearing the commentary. There's a few different YouTubers that I've been watching lately. So Riding with Tom, Nerd1, Shadow of 75. They've all done an excellent series on Crossing the Simpson. You know, it's got the commentary going on with the video, in-helmet commentary. So, you know, I like it. That's what I want to do more of. I've tried it, I've failed with audio issues. But hopefully now you'll see a bit more of that. Let me know if that's the type of thing you want to see or not. Or do I go back to my old ones of just, you know, bike footage and music? That's it for today. Short one. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see you in the next one.